You will see in today's video construction technologies that have reached a new level. Splinters and dust are only two of the many waste products that quarries frequently produce, up to 40% of the total quantity produced. Rather than throw it away, Swiss specialists working on the ISSE project came up with a workable answer. They formed an alliance with a nearby marble quarry and created this floor system out of the debris using a 3D printer. Because ISSE chose geopolymer as a binder instead of the more common organic resin, the slabs are even stronger than those made of concrete. Blast furnace slag is one example of the waste products from other sectors that can be included into the printing process. It's difficult to talk about construction choices without bringing up Lego construction kits. Here, the analogy is valid. The Recycle Rebuild team uses 1.5 kilogram of scrap plastic to create each block. Furthermore, the assembly and design processes are outstanding. The completed structures are more appealing because of their vivid hues. This is critical as the Recycle Rebuild team is working on several international projects. With a truckload of rubbish entering the ocean every minute, pollution is a serious problem. Furthermore, 1.6 billion people are thought to be impacted by the housing scarcity. Not just any insulation board, SlimFix Reno Pro is a 3D designed, molded board that is perfect for insulating roofs that slope from 20 to 60 degrees. Its design offers several advantages. It's simple to walk on, to start. It also removes cold bridges. Thirdly, any surplus parts can be recycled by sending them to the manufacturer. It also has creative drainage channels. Standard slabs are easy to cut on site and are available in lengths ranging from 2.5 to 7.5 meters, without generating clouds of dust. Consider these MBT components, which make it simple to assemble formwork with heights ranging from 20 to 120 centimeter. Additionally, MBT provides MaxiForm, a reusable formwork option in 30 and 50 centimeter heights that is ideal for floor slabs. You may even use a crane to move up to 3 linked parts at once. Competitors include the ISSE formwork system, which assembles incredibly quickly in contrast to the traditional wooden formwork's threefold slower preparation. A useful method for improving strength and stiffness through targeted structural reinforcement is provided by Bet-on-Tex. It is very helpful for jobs like restoring arches in historic buildings and fixing columns in subterranean parking lots. The main ingredient of Bet-on-Tex is a polymer-based substance that is reinforced with synthetic fibers. Knowledgeable builders refer to this material as FRP. It doesn't take up much room, is non-magnetic, radiolucent, and easy to handle. In addition, epoxy resins and carbon fiber mesh are used in Bet-on-Tex, which enhances resilience and improves flexural, compressive, and shear strength. When the panels of reinforced concrete are ready, it's time to construct what you want from them. How about these homes that Leah gave you? They address the issues that many nations' building industries face. Leah provides a modular solution in response to the scarcity of competent labor and the escalating prices of services. Comparing their dwellings to traditional ones, their construction is faster, easier, and more affordable. Walls, for example, may be constructed in a few hours. For 6 people, a typical 2-story home with 114 square meters costs around $40,000. FreeFalcon's inventive equipment, which resembles a cross between a crane and a merry-go-round, has set a new standard for high-rise operations. All you need to do to get started is fasten a safety cable onto its boom. In an emergency, the 10-meter radius V21-1 variant can trigger in around 2 seconds. Regardless of the operating height, it is adaptable. The 450 kilogram shipping weight might be difficult, but clients haven't been put off. More than 2,000 units have already been sold. There are also renting possibilities accessible for people who are not interested in buying. Traditional chalets are characterized by their simplicity, natural materials, 2 stories, and sloping roofs. Originally constructed for shepherds in the alpine areas of the Alps, chalets now include even 300 square meter lofts equipped with hot tubs. Look at the variety when you're in the Alps. On your own property, you can begin looking at chalets if you're not quite ready to go. Chalets between 9 and 20 square meters are available from the Chalet en Bois team. It's not necessary to be a shepherd. The chalet in this variant may function as a small office, a billiard room, or perhaps a workshop. $9,056 is the cost of an 18 square meter Scandinavian pine cabin. A pool's water appears to go on forever because it spills over the edge. Even though it looks simple, the experts who created these pools worked really hard. Let's examine each of these processes in more detail. The water that spills over overflows into gutters and into the compensating tank, which normally holds 15% of the pool's total capacity. After that, it is heated, filtered, disinfected, and put through other necessary procedures before being put back into the pool. Experts chose the ISI-MIROIR system for the pools you see on the screen because it can be used for both new construction and repairs. This device can be installed and operational in around 30 minutes by skilled laborers. Seeker backer rod fire is made of fiberglass mesh encasing mineral wool. Although it's intended to seal seams, this product, also referred to as backer rod, isn't your typical sealant. The duration of fire resistance varies across versions, however it may last up to 4 hours. It is appropriate for joints that are between 7 and 51 millimeters broad, with diameters ranging from 12 to 60 millimeters. The 50-meter roll is the ideal choice for large operations. Naturally, it works well with flame-retardant sealants as well. Products combine the strength of precast concrete with the economy of post-frame construction, making them the superheroes of the skirting industry. The business thinks its concept for a skirt board is groundbreaking. It has a concrete foundation that is 10 centimeters high and is fastened to the wood using stainless steel shear studs. For further strength, the reinforced concrete is fully reinforced with basalt composite reinforcement. This sandwich is about 18 centimeters tall overall. Perma-Column offers specialized brackets to expedite and streamline installation. Rolux Multiflex is presented by Alsace & Shunt, a thorough system for duct renovation. It is ideal for use with condensing boilers and enables the attachment of an additional chimney, each measuring 60 mm on the outside and 50 mm on the inside. It is especially advantageous for older homes because the current ductwork doesn't need to be completely rebuilt. Rather, it is enhanced by flexible polypropylene tubing. Furthermore, 2 people may complete the well-established Rolux Multiflex installation method in half a day. Thermabead insulation is a timely solution since the walls of a normal house lose around 1/3 of their heat. Because it reduces heat loss by 70%, it pays for itself in an average of 4 years. Furthermore, using Thermabead is simple and frequently just takes a few hours. Using a unique firearm, workers insert 2 to 9 millimeter diameter polystyrene beads into gaps. These beads are robust and will endure for the duration of the structure. With an injection spear, artisans may work with cavities up to 7.3 meters long through a single hole for more intricate creations. In the building sector, Shirkbola is well known for its superior reinforcing. The Type F punching shear reinforcement is one particularly noteworthy choice. It was created in conjunction with prefabrication facilities, which makes it ideal for automated installation. Shirkbola's engineers have only needed a few stud and distribution rail models to meet the majority of production requirements. This reinforcement is made of carbon steel and is available in sizes of 10, 16, and 25 millimeters. T-Con Aludeck, one of the best slab formworks out there, is next on our list. It works well for both commercial and residential building. One of the variants has a maximum operating load surpassing 9 tons and can handle concrete slabs up to 1 meter thick. The formwork may be assembled by a team of 2 individuals. Furthermore, a specialized truss brace can be used to treble the height of the props. We've got a variety of drainage solutions in today's video to assist you. Make sense of the deluge of information without getting overwhelmed. Both components labeled for domestic usage and high-duty parts designed to support weights up to 5 tons are available. Contact Northern Building Plastics if you discover that you require a personal drainage system sunk 10 meters below the surface. Furthermore, Components such as poly-drain splitters can design drainage systems as complex as the London Underground.